Hello and welcome to my channel. This video will be the first in a series of basic art tutorials focusing mainly on painting and drawing. I'll try to keep these under 10 minutes so that they are quick and easy to follow along with. That way you can put more time into creating your next masterpiece. Today's tutorial topic will be mixing paint colors. First, let's go over what you'll need to follow along with this tutorial. The first thing you'll need is some sort of canvas or sheet of thick paper to test out your color mixtures. I'm using a 12 by 16 stretched cotton canvas. The second thing you'll need is a paintbrush. The third thing you will need is some paint. I'm just using some basic Crafters acrylic paint for this, but feel free to use any paint you'd like to follow along. The final thing you'll need is a palette or some sort of plate or flat dish for you to mix your colors on. Personally, I like to use old takeout containers. That way you can give them a second life before tossing them in the recycling or garbage. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using an unopened 8 by 10 inch canvas, so it's easier for you guys to see clearly. Now that we have everything we need, let's get started. We will only be using 3 colors for this tutorial: red, blue, and yellow. These 3 colors are known as the primary colors, and they are used to make pretty much any other color you can think of. Let's go ahead and add those to our canvas. Now, the first colors we'll be mixing up are known as the secondary colors. These colors are made by mixing any 2 of the primary colors. The first will be a mixture of yellow and red to create orange. The second will be a mixture of yellow and blue to create green. And the third will be a mixture of blue and red to create violet. Now that these colors are mixed, we can move on to our final set of colors, the tertiary colors. These colors are created by mixing 1 primary and 1 secondary color. The first will be a mix of blue and green to create blue-green. The second will be a mix of blue and violet to create blue-violet. The third will be a mix of yellow and green to create yellow-green. The fourth will be a mix of yellow and orange to create yellow-orange. The fifth will be a mix of red and orange to create, yep, you guessed it, red-orange. The final color will be a mix of red and violet to create red-violet. Now, what we have is a very basic understanding of how to mix paint colors. If you're feeling extra adventurous, you can go ahead and grab some black, white, and gray paint to create even further variations of each of these colors. I hope this video was helpful and fun for you to follow along with. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, subscribe, and comment. Especially comment. That way you can tell me what you're looking for in a future video. Stay safe, stay creative, and thanks for watching.